strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. Hello everyone, I am Rachit of Vidya Valley School. I am one of the leaders of Group 3 5P. In contribution to the Goonj project, we are doing a presentation on environment and science, and our subtopics are global warming and solar system respectively. Altogether, we are practicing the use of the 3 R's in our daily lives and are encouraging others to do the same through our video. Hope you enjoy the presentation. Here we go.
Hello friends, my name is Sanskriti. Today I will tell you some slogans about the global warming. Global warming is burning the earth of today and future of tomorrow. Destroy global warming before it destroys you. Use renewable energy to stop global warming. Global warming is a clear warning to us: stop polluting the earth. Global warming is a global warning. Energy conservation is the true solution to global warming. One good action repeated 1,000,000 times created global change. Thank you.
I am Rachit. Did you know that global warming and excess greenhouse effect are harmful? Due to global warming, ice caps are melting. Because of this, there is an increased level of water and so will flood the lowline areas. Due to greenhouse effect, it warms the earth. If it continues like this, then soon the temperature of earth will be so much that we will not be able to live on earth. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ronak, class 12, division B, roll number 30, Goonj project, group number 3, and I am going to talk about global warming quiz. 2019-2020, how many days to extinction? Global warming quiz. Which of the following gases does not trap? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Water vapor, D. Methane. Correct answer D. Nitrogen. As average global temperature rises, average precipitation increases, B. Average precipitation decreases, C. Average precipitation unchanged. Correct answer. Average precipitation increases. 3. Where have some of the strongest and earliest impacts of global warming occurred? A. In the tropics, B. In the northern latitudes, C. Impacts of global warming are distributed equally all over the planet. Correct answer in northern latitudes. 4. How do scientists collect evidence about climate? Using remote sensors from space with satellites. B. By ground-based measurements of surface temperature, carbon dioxide concentration and sea level. C. By collecting proxy data from tree rings, ice cores and historical records. D. All of these. Correct answer, all of these. Fifth, compared to other greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide is the most effective at trapping heat near the Earth's surface. A. True. B. False. Correct answer, false. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vidya and today I'll be telling you a few facts about global warming. In 2015, studies revealed that vertebrate species are going extinct at a rate that is 114 times higher than it should be. The amount of carbon dioxide that was being dumped into the atmosphere till 2011 was 1,000 tons per second. Global warming will completely alter the ocean's conveyor belt and cause a mini ice age in Europe. By the year 2100, the average temperature will rise by 5.8 degrees due to global warming. Thank you.
The Earth. The Earth is the only planet that has life. It was made 4.5 billion years ago and life started on Earth 3.7 billion years ago. The reason why our Earth is dying. The most probable fate of the planet is absorption by the Sun. In about 7.5 billion years after the star has entered the red giant phase and expanded expanded beyond the planet's current orbit. Climate. Earth's climate was warmed up and cooled down many times. However, today the climate is warming much faster than it has over human history. Global air temperatures near Earth's surface have gone up about 2 degrees in the last century. Thank you.
Hi friends, today I'm going to be talking about the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect gets its name from the greenhouse. The greenhouse is a house made out of glass. The way it traps heat in the greenhouse is that the sun's rays come in, the rays go out, but the heat still stays in. This is how it keeps the greenhouse warm in the winter and in the night. This is happening on Earth and Venus. Now I will be explaining how it is happening on Earth. The sun's rays come in, most of the heat goes out, but some of the heat gets trapped by the atmosphere. And the greenhouse gases, which act like the glass for the atmosphere, trap some of the heat inside. And with more and more pollution and deforestation happening, there are more and more greenhouse gases. This is making our home inhabitable.
Ridhan Tambe will be telling you facts on our solar system. Did you know the sun can make us taller? Mercury has more craters and impact marks than any other planet. In 1974, a spacecraft captured the first image of Mercury. On Venus, it snows metal and rains sulfuric acid. Earth is the only planet not named after God. Mars has 2 moons that measure less than 15 miles in diameter. Jupiter is 2.5 times as massive as all the other planets combined. Saturn is not the only planet with rings. It rains diamonds on Uranus. Pluto has a heart shape on its surface. Thank you.
I'm Parjan from roll number 24 and I'm from group 3. I'm going to tell you about the creation of stars, pillars of creation. The pillars of creation are fascinating. The future of the Eagle Nebula, which spans 70 by 55 light years. The pillars of creation are part of an active star forming region within the nebula and had newborn stars in their wispy columns. The pillars of creation falls in M16 and lies about 7,000 light years away. This stretches roughly 4 to 5 light years. Imagine that equates to over 250,000 times the distance from Earth to Sun. There is a theory proposed by Nicholas that a supernova shockwave would have destroyed the pillars of creation 6,000 years ago. However, this interpretation has been disputed by an astronomer uninvolved in the Spitzer observations. Can Earth also be born in here in some similar phenomenon? How interesting. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Rishika Anna from class 5th B. I have made this chart to depict our solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the sun directly are the 8 planets, the dwarf planets, and the small solar system bodies. The indirect objects are the moons. The solar system also contains smaller objects. The asteroid belt, which lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, is mainly composed of rocks and metals. Beyond Neptune's orbit lies the Kuiper belt and scattered disk, which is mainly composed of ice. Thank you.
Goonj means an echo, and with this team effort, we wish to make our thoughts of the 3 R's echo into every corner of the world to nurture our environment to save our planet. I am Reet Nemade, one of the group leaders of the Goonj project 5B for Vidya Valley School. I am grateful to the school for encouraging this concept in our young minds to include us, to do our part in understanding our environment, to save the earth, because there may be a plan B for us, but there is no planet B. This was an enjoyable project, and I am thankful to my responsible co-leader Rachit Nautiyal, and I am also very thankful to the rest of our wonderful teammates. Ridhan, Ronit, Sanskriti, Riya, Namrata, Path, Nikki, Rishika and Nikhil. Thank you Pallavi Surana ma'am for leading us, and thank you Nuri Didi and Advika Didi for being our guiding stars. With this, we hope to do our part in creating a Goonj to make this a better environment and a safer planet for everyone in this world. Thank you.